What if I told you that the simplest path to automated wealth doesn't require building tech startups, revolutionary apps, or even hiring employees? What if I told you the key to a fortune is selling frozen tap water? Welcome to Drafted Assets. Today we are exposing the ice glitch, one of the most profitable yet completely invisible, boring businesses in America. Most people see an ice vending machine in a gas station parking lot and think, convenience. They think about a weekend barbecue or a cooler refill. I don't see convenience. I see a machine that converts public utilities into private wealth. Let's look at the blueprint. Traditional businesses drown in overhead. Restaurants deal with food spoilage and rising labor costs. Laundromats deal with complex plumbing and machine maintenance. Ice vending is different. You aren't selling a complex service. You are taking municipal water, which costs you literal fractions of a cent, lowering its temperature, bagging it automatically, and selling it for $3 a bag. The math is offensive. To produce 10 pounds of ice, your utility cost for water and electricity is roughly 20 to 25 cents. You sell that same bag for $3. That is a markup of over 1,000%. There is no shipping, no warehousing, and no complex global supply chain. You are manufacturing, packaging, and selling your product on the exact same square foot of concrete. The real beauty? The total elimination of the human element. Think about traditional retail. You need cashiers. You need shift managers. You deal with payroll taxes, workers' compensation, and sick days. An ice vending machine is a 24/7 robot. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't take breaks. It doesn't ask for a raise. It sits in a parking lot, working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. You don't need to buy a building. You don't even need to own the land. You use a strategy we call renting the dirt. You find a high-traffic location, like a gas station, a marina, or a busy strip mall. You approach the landlord and offer to rent a tiny, unused 10 by 10 foot square of their asphalt. They get guaranteed passive income from useless space, and you get access to their water line, their electricity, and most importantly, their foot traffic. But let's throw that bucket of cold water on this drafted dream. The reality check. Commercial ice vending units are not cheap. A high-quality, high-capacity machine is a serious capital investment. Depending on the model, it can cost you anywhere from $50,000 to over $100,000 up front. And while the business is automated, it is not set it and forget it. These are mechanical beasts. Compressors fail, coin mechanisms jam, water filters must be changed, and the bagging mechanism needs to be calibrated. If your machine breaks down on the 4th of July weekend, the busiest ice day of the year, your cash flow doesn't just slow down. It stops completely until you or a technician can get it running again. But if you can secure the capital, navigate the initial installation, and lock in a high-traffic location, the ice machine remains a brutal, recession-proof asset. It is the ultimate business of profiting from the one thing every neighborhood needs, with almost zero overhead. It is the definition of a money glitch. Thanks for watching this blueprint of success. Subscribe and join us to build your own drafted assets.